Every organization starts with a blank slate. This is your Clones tab, the live roster where your active digital teammates live. Right now it's empty, and that's exactly where we're starting. Let's build it out. Head over to Marketplace in the left rail. This is your full catalog of pre-built clones. 30 ready-to-deploy digital teammates, each organized by department. You'll notice every card shows a building status, meaning they're available in the catalog but haven't been added to your org yet. You can browse the full pool using all departments, or narrow things down by clicking a specific department in the filter panel, or using the search field if you already know the role you're looking for. Any clone without a department assignment will sit in unassigned until you route it. Before you deploy, click into a clone's profile card. Don't just grab and go. Here you can review the bio, the skills attached to this clone, and the power rating breakdown, which shows you average performance, credits, and engagements. Once you've confirmed it's the right fit, click Deploy. One quick tip from our team: if you're deploying multiple clones from the same department, do it one at a time. Batch moves can cause department assignments to carry over inconsistently. Single deployments keep everything clean. Now jump back to your Clones tab. Your newly deployed clone is in the roster, tagged with its department, showing an active status, and carrying its power rating. The count badge has updated to reflect the addition. Click into the clone and you'll see all 8 tabs are live immediately. Profile, chat, knowledge, skills, schedule, gallery, integrations, and health. No setup wizard, no waiting. You deploy and you're ready to go. That's how you go from 0 to a fully operational digital teammate in just a few clicks inside Clone Studio.